Now let us come to the last assignment of MAEDU, that is MAE 016 Educational Research, and here the first question is: explain the meaning and characteristics of experimental research. Describe how a researcher can control intervening variables in an experimental research. So here the answer could be in this way. Experimental research is also called as experimentation, and it is research conducted using the scientific approach using two or more variables. The first variable is a constant that you can manipulate to see the differences caused in the second variable. Any research conducted under scientifically acceptable conditions uses experimental methods. Time is a vital factor in establishing a relationship between cause and effect. Researchers have a stronger hold over variables to obtain desired results. The subject does not impact the effectiveness of experimental research. Researchers can further analyze this relationship to determine more in-depth ideas. Four essential characteristics of an experimental research are: first is control, second is manipulation, third is observation, and fourth is replication. So control is the essential ingredient of experimental research, as it refers to the extent to which different factors in an experiment are accounted for. Manipulation refers to a deliberate operation of conditions by the researcher. In this process, a predetermined set of conditions called independent variables or experimental variables, also called as treatment variables. Third is, in experimental research, the experimenter observes the effect of the manipulation of the independent variable on the dependent variable. And then replication. It is conducting the number of sub-experiments instead of one experiment only within the same framework of experimental design. To control the intervening variables, the researcher may have to identify and measure them. Apart from the measurement of the intervening variables, the dependent variable has also to be measured. So, to see what changes have been brought about by the treatment. Intervening variable is actually a control variable that follows an independent variable but precedes the dependent variable in a causal sequence. These can be controlled directly by holding them constant throughout a study, or may be controlled by indirect methods like randomization or statistic control. Some examples of these intervening variables are temperature, light, noise, etc. So these cannot be directly observed in the experiment. Therefore, they are hypothetical. Example: there is an association between being poor and having a shorter lifespan. Just because someone is poor doesn't mean that it will lead to early death. So, other hypothetical variables are used to explain the phenomena. These intervening variables can also be controlled either by eliminating. If elimination is not possible, then we can try to keep the constancy of the variables till the entire experiment. This constancy should be maintained to the different experimental groups as similar as possible. And last way is to balance. This is actually distributing the effects of intervening variables across the different conditions of the experiment.
Alright.